The Enugu State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal is continuing hearing on the petition filed by the Labour Party and its candidate Chijioke Edoga over the declaration of Governor Peter Mbah of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) as the winner of the March 18, 2023 governorship election in the state. At Tuesday's session, the election court adopted the evidence of 8 witnesses who testified for the Labour Party and its candidate, including a staff of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). A witness, Friday Emmanuel, who said he works at the Legal Drafting and Clearance Department of the INEC headquarters in Abuja, was under subpoena by the court. However, his appearance was challenged by counsel to the respondent, Peter Mbah, and the PDP, on the grounds that the witness did not depose to an oath as required by law, but counsel to the petitioners countered the objection, arguing that since the witness was under the subpoena of the court, the cited laws do not apply. After a short ruling, the tribunal allowed the witness to go ahead with his evidence, while the ground for objection by the respondent was reserved for the final written address. During his evidence in chief, the INEC staff tendered several documents, including the certified true copies of Governor Peter Mbah's certificates, which were submitted along his governorship nomination forms to INEC. They were all admitted as exhibits by the tribunal despite objections to their admissibility by counsel to Mbah and the PDP. 8 other witnesses, who testified for the Labour Party and its governorship candidate, Chijioke Edoga, at Tuesday's session, were all party agents. The alleged irregularities in the results announced by the INEC for Udenu local government area. On Wednesday, hearing continued at the Enugu State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal. So far, 3 witnesses from Nkanu East local government area, the home council area of the sitting governor and candidate of the ruling PDP in Enugu State, have testified for the Labour Party and its candidate during Wednesday's court session. The witnesses, Emmanuel Ejike from CSS Secondary School Polling Unit, Uboka, Ezekiel Ahmeduna Okafo from Amangu, Uboka Polling Unit, and John Paul Ikechukwu of Oruku Community, all alleged various degrees of electoral irregularities in the conduct of the governorship polls in their areas. In their testimonies, 2 of the witnesses claimed that the beavers malfunctioned in their polling station, while the witness from Oruku said there was overvoting in the polling units in his community. But the witnesses could not substantiate the allegations when cross-examined by counsel to Governor Peter Mbah, that of the PDP and INEC. At Thursday's session, 5 more witnesses testified for the Labour Party and its March 18, 2023 election governorship candidate, Chijioke Edoga, bringing to a total of 20 witnesses. During the continued hearing, the petitioner's witnesses, who claimed to be party polling unit agents, gave evidence alleging irregularities in the final election collated results against what transpired at the polling units where they served. The petitioner's counsel, Valerie Azinge, SAN, leading Cyril Nnadi in evidence, the witness who adopted his written deposition on oath, told the court that he served in Udenu Council area of the state as a Labour Party polling unit agent, testifying that the collated results at the ward level were at variance with the results originally collated at the polling units. When separately cross-examined by counsel to Governor Mbah, Onyechi Bazu, SAN, and that of the PDP, Alex Izion, SAN, the attention of the witness was drawn to a supposed discrepancy in some paragraphs of his written witness deposition, to which he stood his ground on his oral evidence. Furthermore, the respondent's counsel revealed that the witness party agent accreditation tag did not emanate from INEC as required by the electoral guidelines. Before the close of Thursday's proceedings, the lead counsel to the Labour Party and its candidate, Valerie Azinge, SAN, again drew the attention of the court to the fact that INEC was yet to allow the party access to the beavers machines for inspection as earlier ordered by the tribunal. At the end of Thursday's proceedings, the tribunal adjourned for further hearing of the petition brought by the Labour Party and its candidate, challenging INEC's declaration of the winner in the Enugu State Governorship election.